Hi guys, today we discuss setcolor function, which is make colorful shapes in C. Setcolor function is used to set the current drawing color to the new color. Syntax: set color in color. Explanation: in graphics, each color is assigned a number. Total number of colors available are 16. For example, set color yellow changes the current drawing color to yellow. Remember, the default drawing color is white. Total number of colors and its values, such as black, which value is 0, blue 1, green 2, and last white is 16. Let's implementation of set color function in C.